Good morning. It's Tuesday, the 5th of August 2025, 10:55 a.m. Now, this is all about Matthew Audio Visual Equipment with 40 subscribers. Now, this is what I'll show you today. This is called Oxygen Free Speaker Cable. Yes, that's right. It's Oxygen Free Speaker Cable, what I got from work. And I'm going to test it later on this my Technic stereo system. See what the fuss is about. Apparently, this is good quality cable back in the day. So I'm going to test this free oxygen cable. Yes, it's oxygen free speaker cable. I don't know how long the cable is, but I'm going to try it on my two speakers and see if there's any difference. I'll give you a quick demo of the music I've got on my computer. I'll turn the speaker up and I'll do a demo to see what the difference is like. I only play for a few seconds due to copyright. Yeah. I'm going blind, so please be patient. No, got to escape from that. I'll have to start again. I'm getting sick of this. Sorry. I was going to do a demo of Sash, but I'm having problems seeing. I'm losing my eyesight, so I'm going eventually be going blind. There's no way to recur it, but to prevent me going blind, I'll have to eat oranges because oranges make just vision perfect. Now, I'll turn my laptop back on. I want to do a demo with no more than 5 or 10 seconds before I breach copyright. So I'll do 5 seconds of Sash with the speaker what I got. I got power cable for speaker cable, and then after that I'll do a reassessment and I'll record with speakers wired with oxygen free cable, which is this cable over here. Slowly XP Professional. I don't have the password to it, so I can't get into Windows. And I can't format the drive to put Windows 7 on. Now I'll do a quick snip of audio of Sash. Grease hits.
Mesdames, Messieurs, le disc jockey Zach est de retour.
There you go. There was a copy of the Sash on normal power cable. I'm going to do another video soon about oxygen free cable, which is this. This is oxygen free power audio cable. So this goes from your amplifier to your speakers. So I'll do another video later on today about what it sounds like on oxygen free cable. Please like, comment, and subscribe. The power is yours.